Most SaaS companies don't convert leads into paid users for three main reasons. Look, if you own or manage a SaaS company, you don't want to spend money on traffic that doesn't convert into paid users. You want a sales funnel that turns that cold traffic into actual users and that sends them up your offer ladder at a predictable rate. Otherwise, you're just going to end up with low conversion rates, wasted ad spend, and a ton of unnecessary churn. If you're like most SaaSes out there, you've probably followed all the growth hacking strategies you find on LinkedIn and YouTube, but somehow you're still not hitting your user targets or MRR goals, and you don't know why. If that sounds like you, I have something that will give you full control over your marketing and drastically increase your MRR this year. But first, let me share some results we've achieved with our existing SaaS clients to date using this exact system. Ticketing Hub went from $50K to $150K in recurring revenue within 3 months. Hugo doubled their traffic and sales in 4 weeks alone, and they were actually acquired by Calendly within that same year. Beacon CRM increased their B2B sales by 52% in only 2 months. And Doorloop went from a slow as hell website that generated 5,000 monthly visitors to a sales funnel that opens in just 1.2 seconds and now generates over 200,000 visitors every single month. Now, before I explain exactly how this works, let me introduce to you who I am and why you should even listen to me. My name is Rami Aboud and I'm the founder of Arch. We're a funnel building company that specializes in building high converting sales funnels for SaaS companies just like you. Now, over the past 6 years, we've helped over 200 SaaS companies double, triple, and even quadruple their conversion rates and scale their MRR like clockwork using a scientific approach to user acquisition. It was through these experiences and working with this volume of SaaS companies that we were able to develop the system that I'm about to explain to you right now. Using this exact system, we take low converting websites and turn them into high converting sales machines that suck in cold traffic and spit out users and new MRR like clockwork. Now, the reason that we know this system works is that we've tested this on over 200 SaaS companies. We've managed over $12 million A/B testing campaigns to date, and our average client, not our best, sees a 219% increase in conversions in the first 90 days alone. In fact, we literally guarantee to double your conversions in this period or we'll work for free, but more about that in a minute. You see, most SaaS companies struggle to hit their user acquisition and MRR goals for these three main reasons. First of all, their website is just that. It's a website instead of a sales funnel that sends traffic through the different stages in their sales process on autopilot and converts the cold traffic into buyers at record speeds. Second of all, their website load speeds are suboptimal at best, and a big chunk of their traffic bounces before the page even loads. You don't have to take my word for it. Actions speak louder than words, so go check out our websites and you'll see this in action. The third problem we see is they're way too emotionally attached to their own product to write sales copy that converts, and they end up selling boring technical jargon instead of focusing on crafting a sales argument that separates them from their competition. Doing this puts you in a category of one where you don't have to be competitive on price anymore. Now, the reason we're consistently able to turn these low converting websites into high converting sales machines is that we do the exact opposite of what everyone else is doing. First of all, we build our funnels using a proven workflow that moves prospects from cold to warm in a very natural, organic manner and turns them into buyers in record time. Second, we build our funnels to be lightweight and blazing fast. Third of all, we write compelling sales copy that intrigues your prospects and creates an emotional argument first. We then back that up with a logical argument because this is the way people make buying decisions, and it's all based on user psychology. With this system in place, you'll spend less time worrying about conversion rates and you'll feel comfortable investing in ads as you'll finally have a predictable, scalable system that converts cold traffic into customers on autopilot for you. But more importantly, you'll have a system in place that will separate you from your competitors and allow you to get away from the constant price comparisons and the low margins. Look, this is what we do all day, every day, and to date, we've spent over $12.5 million A/B testing our funnel structure so that you don't have to. We've done this for hundreds of SaaS companies so far, including Ticketing Hub, Hugo, Doorloop, Beacon, GetSubly, PodPal, Whizboo, Pencil, Magic Logic, StoryCare, Enbold, Deep Dub, and a ton more. In fact, I'm so confident that we can drastically increase your conversion rates that I will literally guarantee to 2x yours in the first 90 days alone if you let us implement our sales funnel system for your SaaS company. So if you just know you're leaving money on the table and you're sick and tired of low conversion rates and churn, click the button below and schedule a 50-minute discovery call with my team. We'll discuss your specific challenges and goals to see if we can help, and we'll take the conversation from there.